Hello and welcome to our review of the OTVOC Laptop 15.6-inch with Windows 11. Are you in the market for a new laptop? Do you want something that can handle your day-to-day tasks without breaking the bank? Well, look no further than the OTVOC Laptop 15.6-inch Windows 11. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the VocBook 15 with its Intel Celeron N5100, 16GB RAM, 512GB PCIe NvMe SSD, 4TB expansion, 15.6-inch FHD IPS, 2.0MP, 2.4G plus 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Type-C, HDMI, RJ45, HDD, silver. Body. Let's start with the design. The OTVOC laptop has a sleek silver finish that gives it a modern and professional look. It has a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display that delivers crisp and clear images. The laptop is also lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you on the go. Now, let's talk about the specs. The OTVOC laptop is powered by an Intel Celeron N5100 processor, which is great for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, and working on documents. It also comes with a whopping 16 GB of RAM, which means you can easily multitask without any lag. One of the standout features of this laptop is its 512 GB PCIe NvMe SSD. This means that you'll have lightning-fast boot and load times, and plenty of space to store all of your files and documents. But if that's not enough, the OTVOC laptop also has 4 TB of expansion, so you can add even more storage if needed. In terms of connectivity, the OTVOC laptop has you covered. It has both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, which means you can easily connect to any network. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect to other devices wirelessly. The laptop also has a Type-C port, HDMI, and RJ45, so you can connect to a variety of peripherals. Finally, the OTVOC laptop also has a 2.0MP camera, which is great for video calls and conferences. And if you need more storage, there is also an HDD slot. Conclusion. Overall, the OTVOC Laptop 15.6-inch Windows 11 is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable and affordable laptop. With its powerful specs and versatile connectivity options, this laptop is sure to meet all of your needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope this review has been helpful.